Welcome to Miss Studio. Today we have an exciting coding challenge for all programming enthusiasts. Today's challenge is, can you write code to extract the profile picture from a GitHub page using Python? This challenge is a great step to improve your coding skills by exploring web scraping techniques. For this challenge, we'll be using popular Python libraries like BeautifulSoup and Requests. These libraries are incredibly powerful and widely used in the field of web scraping. They allow us to interact with web pages and extract the data we need efficiently. BeautifulSoup helps us parse HTML and XML documents, making it easier to navigate and search through the content. Requests, on the other hand, simplifies sending HTTP requests to web servers. Imagine sending an HTTP request to GitHub, retrieving the HTML content of a user's profile page, then using BeautifulSoup to parse the page and find specific elements like the profile picture, bio, or repositories. This process is the foundation of web scraping and data extraction. Part 3. Step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the process of scraping images from a GitHub page using Python. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you understand each part of the process. To begin, open your favorite code editor. This could be Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or any other editor you are comfortable with. Make sure your environment is set up correctly. Next, ensure you have installed the necessary libraries. Use pip to install BeautifulSoup and Requests. You can do this by typing and in your terminal. Now write code to send a GET request to the GitHub page you want to scrape. This will allow you to fetch the HTML content of the page. Once you have the HTML content, use BeautifulSoup to parse it. BeautifulSoup makes it easy to navigate and search through the HTML structure. Look for the image tags within the HTML. Once you find the right image tag, extract the image URL. Finally, display the URL to verify that you have successfully scraped the image. Part 4. Additional tips. In this section, we'll cover some additional tips to help you troubleshoot and enhance your coding projects. If you face any issues, double-check that you're using the correct URL and parsing the page properly. Sometimes, even a small typo can cause significant problems, so it's crucial to be meticulous. Try running the code with other GitHub pages to ensure it's working universally. This will help you identify if the issue is specific to one page or a broader problem with your code. This code can be the foundation for more complex applications. By understanding the basics, you can build upon this to create more advanced features and functionalities. Experiment with different APIs and libraries to expand your project's capabilities. Part 5. Call to action. Ready to take on the challenge? Click the link in the description to download the project from GitHub and start coding now. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments. Thank you for joining us at Miss Studio. See you in the next challenge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates.